In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this TRQ window switch on the rear doors of your Chevy Silverado. The procedure for both left and right doors will be exactly the same, so let's get started. We have to lift up this panel here, take a plastic trim tool, lift up from the front of it. It should have a couple clips that will pop out. There we go. I'm recommending a plastic trim tool so that you don't scratch up the surface. Once you flip it over, you'll see the electrical connector. Press on this tab and unplug it. Now the switch is just held on with some clips on the side here. There's 2 on each side. So while holding pressure from underneath and of course holding this trim piece in place, pry this area so you can actually release the switch. Keep holding pressure, pry this up. There we go. And there it is. Take your new switch, line it up, and press it into position. Plug it back in. Make sure it clicks. When you slide this down, make sure both of these locking clips line up. One here, one at the front. Tap it down and test it out. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.